Hello everyone, welcome to Marcel's Homestead Kitchen. Finally, Brian,
Finally.
we're going to hang the wall clock. I've been telling him yesterday, but he always ignored me.
I did not ignore you. It got up there, didn't it?
And now, because I wanna make the wall clock fly, so we're going to hang it, right, love?
Yes.
The wall clock is there. That's your order. You want wall clock and then you don't want to hang, so?
Yeah.
So?
So?
Kaigor tay? Oy, hiwi tay. Oh, very nice.
Put the nail in a little bit more.
It's fine.
You don't want it to hang level? We can put the nail in some more.
Oh, sige tay, ana pa daw tay.
Ada ba?
No, label daw, murag label gamay.
Tama naman yan.
You want more
Yeah, let's
ipadok-dok
put
sa
the
daw?
nail in like that much more.
Oh.
I plus word.
Oh, murag ikuan daw yung label niya.
Oh,
Okay.
that's very nice now.
Okay.
Happy now?
Yeah.
Happy now?
You say Brad, happy na you?
Happy now, yo?
Okay, good.
You want to go get a little closer look? Oh, look, isn't that very beautiful?
Oh. Thanks everyone. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Oh, Red?
Say what you did to me. Oh, see?
Red's like your bodyguard now.
Oh,
Because
see?
all I did was just give Marcel a little smack like that, and then Red came over and hit me.
Oh. Tata.
Tuloy na to, tuloy on.